Hey cat lovers! If you're fed up with scooping litter every single day and want a cleaner, fuss-free home, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best auto litter boxes based on expert reviews, customer feedback, and real-world testing. Whether you need something high-tech with app controls, something budget-friendly, or something large enough for big cats or multi-cat homes, you'll find the perfect match here. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the Neakasa M1, a dependable open-top self-cleaning litter box for cat owners who want capacity and simplicity without over-engineering. The M1 offers a roomy interior that suits larger cats comfortably, and its large waste drawer, along with included trash bag style liners, means far fewer emptying sessions. It supports app control for scheduled cleanings, has safety sensors so it won't cycle while a cat is inside, and uses a gentle low noise mechanism that many cats accept quickly. For households that want a straightforward roomy auto litter box without spending premium money, the Neakasa M1 hits a solid balance. At number 4, we have the Cumrige self-cleaning litter box, a rising bestseller on Amazon for good reason. Cumrige delivers a generous SmartSpin capacity, quiet cleaning cycles, and app-controlled scheduling and tracking. Owners praise how well it seals odors, how much litter they save, and how little manual maintenance it requires. The internal sensors ensure safety by pausing cleaning if your cat steps back inside, and the waste drawer holds enough for many days even with a medium to large cat. For the price point, the Cumrige often delivers better value than many smart litter boxes with more bells and whistles, making it especially appealing for budget-conscious pet parents who still want automation and reliability. At number 3, it's the PetSafe ScoopFree SmartSpin. This box is ideal if you want simplicity, low maintenance, and effective odor control without spending too much. The SmartSpin sifts clumps automatically after your cat exits and deposits waste into a sealed drawer. Many users go up to 2 weeks between full cleanings, especially with crystal litter. The design is more compact and space efficient than bulky domed robots, making it well suited for apartments or smaller homes. Some models include a weight jot usage tracker so you can monitor your cat's health habits. While it may not be as feature-rich as high-end rotating systems, ScoopFree SmartSpin hits a sweet spot, a self-cleaning box with solid performance, great odor control, and minimal ongoing effort. Runner-up at number 2 is the Petkit Pura Max, a modern, app-connected, feature-packed litter box that balances convenience and performance beautifully. Its enclosed design gives cats privacy and helps contain litter scatter, while the triple odor control system, often with replaceable deodorizer refills, keeps smells to a minimum. The companion app lets you schedule cleaning cycles, monitor usage and cat health data, and receive alerts when the waste bin needs emptying. Petkit boxes are praised for being quiet cat-friendly. Some even handle larger cats and more affordable than premium rotating robots. For pet owners who want smart controls, reliable cleaning, and hassle-free maintenance without overspending, the Petkit Pura series is a standout choice. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Whisker Litter-Robot 4. Widely regarded as the top self-cleaning litter box for busy cat owners and multi-cat households. This high-end model features a rotating globe that automatically sifts waste after each use, depositing clumps into a sealed drawer. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so with the official app, you can track litter levels, waste levels, and even your cat's weight over time, a useful tool for monitoring their health. Many reviewers praise its near-silent cleaning cycles, excellent odor control, thanks to odor trap TM packs and a well-sealed compartment, and massive capacity that makes it ideal for homes with 2 or more cats. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best automatic litter boxes. Each of these models bring something unique. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.